I bought an abandoned property in the 55 and up community, and here's the crazy part. I'm only in my 20s. I had already purchased the property through my construction company before I knew whether my age was going to cause a problem with the HOA. So after I bought it, I went down to the HOA office to make a payment in person, and they asked me for my ID. And immediately I'm thinking, wait, they're about to tell me I can't own this place because I'm not 55. And keep in mind, I already had bought the property. Luckily, they told me it wasn't a problem as long as the person actually living in the property meets the community age requirements. Everything is fine. And trust me, that was a relief. So now, here's a quick walkthrough of what I bought. This place has been sitting abandoned, and now I'm getting ready to bring it back to life. And this is just the beginning. I've got 2 deck transformations coming up next, and after that, I'm taking inside an entire commercial building that I bought and I'm renovating. So like, comment, subscribe to follow the journey because the projects are only getting bigger from here. I bought this house in the 55 plus community while I'm still in my 20s. And once I got the keys, it was time to stop talking about the vision and actually start transforming this place. First up was paint, and I pretty much worked my way through the entire house. Living room, loft, dining room. If it had a wall, I was painting it. Then I started ripping out the old carpet, and underneath it, straight concrete. Honestly, that was perfect because now I had a completely blank slate for the floors. Next, all of these old baseboards had to come out, and this was one of those jobs that looks quick until you realize you had to do it basically in every room. Then came the glamorous part of the renovation, cleaning up the mess I just made. Once everything was cleaned up, I went right back to painting, this time the ceiling. Because if I'm transforming this whole house, I'm not stopping halfway. Then I moved into the kitchen. Before I could paint these cabinets, I had to fill in a little imperfections and get everything prepped. Because paint can make something look better, but good prep is what actually makes it look finished. Once the prep was done, I started painting the kitchen, and this is where the house really started feeling different. It's crazy how much a fresh coat of paint can change a room. And the more I work through this kitchen, the more I can actually see the vision coming together. But this was nowhere near the finished product. The floor still needed work, the bathroom still needed work, and the kitchen itself was only getting started. There was a lot more coming. Then I found this old backsplash glued straight to the wall. Yeah, that had to go. Next, I disconnected the faucet and dishwasher so I could keep tearing into the kitchen. And right when I thought I was almost done painting, I remembered all the doors. So if you want to see how this entire property turns out, subscribe, because we're just getting started. This is part of my 55 plus community flip where everything finally started coming together. After ripping out all the old carpet and getting down to the concrete, it was finally time for new floors. And this was probably one of the changes I was waiting for the most. Paint definitely made this house look cleaner, but the second these floors started going down, the entire place felt different. This is part of renovation I love. You spend all this time tearing things apart, making a mess, and wonder when it's finally going to start looking like a house again. And suddenly, it does. I just keep working my way through the house, one room at a time. And honestly, watching it back in the time lapse, this makes it look way faster than it actually was. Because the old carpet is gone, and these floors finally look a lot better than how they used to look. And for those of you who are wondering, yes, it took me over a week to complete the flooring for this entire house by myself. Then came the finishing touch. The new baseboard. It seems like a small detail, but once they start going in, everything's going to look cleaner and way more finished.
Life's a coat of many colors. It is never black and white. Can't have one without the other. The dark without the light. In the summer we were lovers. With the flame our hearts would burn. A flame the autumn would smother and leave this heart to yearn forever blue.
When I bought this house in the 55 plus community, the bathroom setup was definitely outdated. It has a full bathroom connected by a door, separated by a half bath, and both spaces need a complete refresh. I started by finishing the new flooring throughout both connected bathroom spaces. Then I installed the new vanity top, and the full bathroom finally started coming together. Next came the toilet, followed by the finishing detail that completely changed the look of the space. Then I went through connecting the doors into the full bathroom, removed the old vanity, and cleaned everything up for the new setup. After all that work,
but such times will never keep. I found a new smile this morning.
what would you rate this transformation? 1 to 10. Hit that subscribe button for the next episode.
And to hide the tears of this clown forever blue. Forever blue. I'm putting on a show for the world to see. No one will ever know that without you I'm forever blue. Yeah, I'm putting
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Tell him.
Yeah. I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. I'm looking in the mirror at the only one I with. I've been held me down, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. It's anything but
Diamond in the rough, yeah, we had it tough, yeah, we had the pressure and the pressure done its stuff. Oh, I'm not flexing when I'm brushing off the dust, no. All this pain and the tears made my shoulders rust. In this life, gotta do what you must, build your value up, gotta earn, just avoid fuss. Maybe you don't know the facts, you don't know enough. You can judge me all you want, cause every day I send love. Every day I do me, makes me wanna see you, makes me wanna see more, makes me wanna see through. Maybe we become one, maybe this is the thing. There's an energy and flavor to the things that you bring to the table. Any way you're able, real work turns into gold when you're stable. Now life feels sweet like syrup, like maple. Wouldn't change a thing about my past to stay grateful.
I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. I'm looking in the mirror at the only one I with. I've been held me down, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. It's anything but luck now. I'm busy doing me, I'm out their range, I'm out of reach now. Almost let it drown, but they found me off the freestyle. Product of that ground, you seeing her eye me down. She wanna vibe, trying to see if she can slide. It's in the green now, it's snakes from my past. They look at me where I'm at, thinking they can hit my line, and I'ma help them on their feet now. I had a few I looked up to, they showing different shades. They might have blocked a couple rays, but now they watching but beam down. I struggle to open doors to places that come to life if I step inside. I learned to cut the keys down. Got it locked, this demon stirring the pot with pretty faces and plots that try to knock me off my feet now. No new friends, I had so many hit my line for the freebie, but if you see me out, you gotta pay the fee now. All these things you never cared to see me for is what I let the world see now. I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Get down on my luck, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. I'm looking in the mirror at the only one I with. I've been held me down, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. It's anything but luck now.